What's going on, everybody? Good to see you. Your boy Phil. Guys, like, share, subscribe to my channel. This video is really gonna dig deep down. Guys, I am in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I have just won 2 major lawsuits against the police department because they arrested me illegally for filming in public. I took them to the cleaners. Guys, if you've ever been arrested for filming in public, reach out to me, Phil, for the residual income asset program so you can be a bazillionaire like myself and film these cops. These cops are everywhere around here because they're afraid of me now. They want nothing to do with me. Check this out. Check where I'm at. I'm at the police department, guys, and they have, right here, check it out, Bowling Green Police Department. They're running scared because I sued them not once, but twice and won. I went pro se and they are scared of me. Let me show you why they're scared of me. They don't want to deal with me. They are now locking the doors at the police station to me. Check it out. You can check this out right here. They've got this car parked here and the doors are locked. The doors are locked, guys. They've locked the doors on me because they're running scared. And all I can tell these cops in Bowling Green, you can run, but you can't hide from Phil. Guys, reach out to me for the residual income asset program so you can sue the Bowling Green Police Department or whatever police department you want to sue for filming in public. And this is what they do. They're running scared, guys. They don't even want to deal with me anymore. They've just shut the doors, put this car here to block me from coming in. Guys, all I can say is get a camera, record in public. If you get arrested for filming in public, reach out to me. I will teach you everything you need to know about how to sue the cops, make the big, big, big money. You don't need a lawyer. All you need is my advice, and you take them to the cleaners. I've got 2 videos coming out shortly. You're going to be excited to see what I did to the Bowling Green Police Department in Kentucky. Guys, I'm continuing my journey. I hope you continue your journey, but you need to reach out to me to change your lives, to make the big, 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 big money. Bowling Green Police Department, dirty as F. And we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Boom, let's do it.